So yan mga paps, I found out that the water is coming from this 3/4 washbowl pipe. Ayan, it's spraying into my finger mga paps. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world. So if you can see, there's a water on the floor, and upon checking I found out that this water line is leaking. So I will check.
A few inches later.
So yun nga mga paps, after I'm checking where is the water come from, so I did is I cut this wall by 16 by 16 mga paps. So yan, at if you can see, there's three size of pipe. There's 3/4 and there's 3/1/2. So yan mga paps, I found out that the water is coming from this 3/4 washbowl pipe. Ayan, it's spraying into my finger mga paps. Ayan, that's the cause of why there's a water on the ground and the parquet mga paps. So ayan, at I'm doing now is cover it or do the remedy using the rubber. So I cut a piece of rubber to attach to the pinhole and clamp by this 1/4 clamp mga paps. Ayan, at ilulusin na ni Papa, then insert inside that pipe, and I will lock it. Ayan, then after I lock it, I will cut the piece of rubber, the rubber hose. Ayan mga paps, one more again, one more. Ayan, this is the way how to do or to stop the water leak. If it's a pinhole only, this is the way you can do. Ayan, there's a piece of rubber hose. Ayan, so I need to cut in a perfect shape para hindi siya tatama dun sa coupling. If you can see, there's a coupling. It's only like a 5/8 or 1/2 on the bottom in the coupling. So yan mga paps, it already covered the pinhole and locked by clamp. Ayan mga paps, it's easy lang. So yan, at ilapat natin yung camera. Ayan mga paps, there's no more water spraying. So the leak is stop. No more water leaking. Ayan mga paps. So yan, that is the way. Again, this is only a remedy. And after that, we will gonna schedule in some other day. So the plumber is the one who will doing this, because in this job they need to shut down the whole building. Need to shut out the water in the whole building mga paps. So ayan, at para mas may close natin itong binutas natin or itong ating kinat na wall. So I'm using the access panel. The white one, yan mga paps. So it's a 16 access panel. Yan, nagawa na natin, na-cover na. So yan mga paps, I'm gonna show you another pipe that leaking before. So I did a remedy only. Usually mga paps, it's happen only in the hot water line. If you can see, there's a blue on the right and there's a red coupling in both line. So it means the red one is like the hot water supply and the blue one is the cold water supply. So always happen the pinhole or cause of leak is from the hot water mga paps. So yan lang mga paps, at counting kaalaman, may mga pag-aari na establishment. So yan, this is only a remedy only. So after, we will gonna schedule for to repair and the plumber, because we need to shut down the whole water in the whole building, because this is the main source of water mga paps.
3 days later.
This time, ang ating episode is about light. Yan, if you can see, there's a hanging light, but the light is not too bright, unlike that ceiling light mga paps. So why it's not bright? So yan mga paps, there's 4 lights in a truck light, but it's very bright. So now I'll gonna show you why it's not bright. So just because the switch. If you can see, the switch is like a dimmer switch. Yan. I turn it on the switch, but the light is not too bright. So I think the light that they use is non-dimmable, because the switch is a dimmable switch, mga paps. Ayan. So I need to do is need to replace to a regular switch, mga paps, because we don't need a dimmable, because as far as you know, dimmable light is more than double the price of the regular bulb, mga paps. So yan, mga paps, need to turn off the breaker first before you touch the electrical. Ayan. So breaker is off already, mga paps. And make a habit, mga paps, before you touching the electrical, you need to turn off the breaker first. So even you don't have gloves, or you're not comfortable using gloves like me, so you need to turn off the breaker, mga paps. So yan, mga paps, they started to take out the dimmable switch, mga paps, and we will gonna replace the regular switch, mga paps. So yeah, that one is the regular switch. So regular switch is cheaper than the dimmable switch, mga paps. So it's another triple the price again. Ayan, at it's too long. We need to cut the wire, mga paps. Ayan. So yeah, as I said, always make a habit, turn off the breaker first, mga paps, before you touching the electrical. Even you're a professional electrician or a journeyman, you should turn off the breaker first before you touch any electrical wire. Make a habit or practice, mga paps. So I'm not a professional electrician. I'm just doing this because this is my job as a residential maintenance. So now, yan, mga paps, I always follow the electrical code, and yeah, I'm not using the gloves because I'm not comfortable. That's why I need to shut off the breaker. So yan, mga paps, already attached. It's very clean. Ayan, if you can see, or it's tightened already. So the next step is need to return the switch to the switch box, mga paps. Ayan, that's what I'm doing. Then after that, we'll cover the receptacle, and we will gonna test if it's working good, mga paps. So as I said, that's the reason why I'm replacing this is just because the light is not dimmable, and dimmable light and non-dimmable light has a triple price, mga paps. Non-dimmable is cheaper, and dimmable is very expensive, mga paps. Even the regular switch. So yan, already attached the receptacle. So now I'm installing the screw, mga paps. So yan, at ito makikita nyo bakit nga ba malabo yung ilaw kanina. It's not too bright just because our switch is a dimmable switch, and the light that they use by the residents is non-dimmable. So that's why it's not too bright, mga paps. So I did is I replaced the dimmable switch to the regular switch, because I said dimmable switch is very expensive. So yan, mga paps. Ayan. Ayan. Turn off, turn on. Ayan. And this is the light that I'm talking about, the dimmable light. Yan, mga paps, you can see dimmable light. And this is the non-dimmable light bulb, or a regular bulb, mga paps. So the price of the dimmable and non-dimmable, mga paps, is triple the price. Kaya that way we need to replace it. And see the light, that's the light that I'm talking about. Before, I didn't replace the light switch. Ayan. And this is the light now after I replaced the dimmer switch, mga paps. Ayan, it's very bright. So yan, this is it. Time to go home. Let's go. At may pupuntahan tayo, mga paps.
A few inches later.
Shout out, mga paps. Nandito naman po tayo sa karasada. At this time dadaan tayo sa panaderia mga paps. Para sa inyong kalaman, ng panaderia dito or bakery ay nagluluto ng mainit na pandesal kapag alas 4 ng hapon. So baligtad po mga paps compare sa atin sa Pilipinas na alas 4 ng madaling araw nagluluto na sila o nagbibake na sila ng pandesal. Kaya ayan, at samahan nyo ako mga paps. Punta tayo kay Kabayan, ang Mercado Bakeries dito sa 66th Street, corner White Mud, katabi ng Kabayan Remitly mga paps, yung Filipino store ng Kabayan. Sa mga nakakaalam, kay Kabayan ay meron po tayong Kabayan na may pandisalan, ika nga mainit. Kapag alas 4 siya nag-i-start nagluluto. Time check is 6 o'clock. Nagko-close siya mga paps ng 6:30. Kaya ayun, at tayo pupunta kung may aabutin pa tayong mainit ng pandesal. At after nyan, dadaanan din natin ang ating sasakyan, yung pinapa-body repair natin kay Rowie Boy. Shout out kay Rowie. So ayan mga paps, at exit na tayo rito sa 66 from White Mud. Exit tayo ng 66 at nandito yung pandisalan mga paps. So bali mga paps, yung isang dosena, wari ko pag hindi pa siya nagtataas ng presyo ay nasa $5 yung isang dosena. So $5 times natin sa 40 para sa peso ay 200 piso ang isang dosena mga paps. Ayan mga paps, dito tayo. Ayan, at papasok na tayo dito. Ayan mga paps, dito ang 66 Street Plaza mga paps. Sa mga Edmonton dyan, Edmontonian, hindi ko lang alam kung kayo nanonood. So para lang sa kalaman ng iba, ayan, ayun ang Mercado Bakery. Ang problema, wala tayong paparkingan. Doon tayo sa bandaron mga paps. Doon tayo magpapark sa bandaron. So ayan mga paps, ang Mercado Bakery. Ayan. So ayun mga paps, may umatras. So doon tayo magpapark. Let's go. Kay Kabayan pala. Kay Kabayan din, at mayroong plaka ng Philippines. Park tayo dito mga paps. Ayan. Let's go. At samahan nyo ako pagpasok mga paps. Baba tayo sa kanya. So yan, sila ate ay bibili rin ng pandesal. Anong bang concert? Ayan. Ang mga tosino pa. Ayan, marami ring hotdog mga paps. Ay, iyan na ba yung aking bakery? Ayan pa, ang bitsu-bitsu. So ko lang ng konti, kuhanan ko lang. Ayan. Ayan na ate. Ay, so ayan, at ako'y alis na. Ayan. Nakabili tayo ng pandesal yan for $5. So ayan mga paps, sinakabayan ay bumibili. So ayan, ngayon bibili tayo na ngayon ng kape. So eto mga paps, eto yung pandesal. Rock. Eto mga paps ay siyempre taga Pilipinas yung taga Cuenca yung yung baker doon sa pinuntahan natin. So balik kababayan natin sa Batangas. At nakita nyo naman, ang dami nang bumibili. Ayun, nakita nyo yung mga nadaanan ng video. Hindi ko lang sila pwedeng videohan. At alam nyo naman yung privacy na tinatawag. So yung mga likuran lang nila, tagiliran na video natin. Harap ng pandesal. Mainit-init pa. So yan mga paps, at hanggang dito na lang ang ating video. So thank you very much for watching dun sa ating light episode. At hanggang sa dito sa pagbili ko ng pandesal. At sa ngayon naman ay ako uuwi na mga paps. At thank you very much again. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa mga upload ko pang video. So yan lang. Thank you very much again. And I love you all. Bye-bye. What?